Working with industrial process documentation and have PDV files from Prodevis, these contain process flow diagrams for manufacturing workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these Prodevis process flow diagram files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange PDV formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A PDV file is a process flow diagram created with Prodevis, a software tool for business process modeling and visualization. Users, often in roles related to process management or quality control, create these files to map out workflows, procedures, and organizational structures for analysis and documentation. The PDV format is a proprietary binary file designed to store all elements of a Prodevis diagram, including shapes, connectors, text, and associated metadata. This self-contained structure ensures that the entire project, with its specific formatting and object properties, can be saved and reopened with perfect fidelity within the Prodevis environment. For viewing and interaction, PDV is most commonly opened via Prodevis from Prodevis. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows shows basic previews for common types, while detailed editing needs design applications. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your PDV file, then choose Open With. You should start with Prodevis if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. If your PDV file isn't cooperating, don't worry. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the PDV file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, opening in Prodevis. Install Prodevis software through your organization's enterprise license or Prodevis vendor distribution. Launch Prodevis and use File then Open to load the PDV file. The process flow diagram displays in the editor with all elements, connections, and properties intact, ready for review, modification, or export to documentation formats. Next, exporting to standard formats. Use Prodevis export functions to convert PDV diagrams to standard formats, like PDF, PNG, or Visio VSDX for broader sharing. The export preserves diagram layout and visual styling, enabling distribution to stakeholders without Prodevis software. PDF exports work universally, while Visio exports allow further editing in Microsoft Visio. Finally, requesting source documentation. If you cannot install Prodevis, contact the document originator for exported PDF or image versions of the process diagrams. Process documentation is typically maintained centrally, with shared exports available for authorized personnel. Request access to the Prodevis system or exported documentation through your organization's process management team. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.